I'm a killer boy, call me savage. Queen when I broadcast.
Hey y'all, it's Kilonda, and as you can see, I have a wig review. It's a wig. This is in the style Laila, and I got the color 1B. As you can see, I'm just trying to figure out what to do to make my hair flat as I apply this wig. So if you'd like to see the way I did this middle part, style this middle part wig with my widow's peak, kind of like off center a little bit, now you know what to do. Just keep on watching. Okay, so I think I've gotten this one to, where it looks okay. I was concerned about ordering it to begin with because I don't do middle parts with my widow's peak. I just don't ever really feel comfortable with it because it's kind of like, it'll never be like quite symmetrical or whatever through there. So I wanted it to be off center just a little bit, but it's very, very pretty, very, very glamorous. If you have a large head and your concern is always like, is it going to be big head friendly? I would say it's not. The cap feels like pretty snug on me, and so if you have a big head or a little bit bigger than mine, it may not necessarily fully fit, and then it still got gaps with my edges out. And then the combs on this are placed just for a center part only, so they're right here by the parting and then the back. So the fact that I have to shift it a little bit makes it feel like it's just not as secure. So this is not gonna be you'll go to church and shout wig. This is not your shouting wig if you want to wear it off center, and it's definitely not like the biggest cap. It's very, very snug. I ended up actually changing the adjustable straps back to have more space because I tightened it and could barely get this bad boy up on my head. I also wouldn't wear this one again until my hair is like completely twisted or braided down flat, because you can see the bumps and lumps very easily with this one. I guess because the top is smooth and then the waves don't come in until the ends. But I love the 1B color. I love the texture. It feels pretty soft, not too shiny. To say that, you know, of course it's synthetic and everything. If you're like me and you just pull them out for special occasions, you can probably have it for, you know, some months to a year if you're just going to wear it for a special occasion and then, you know, put it away. So, because I feel like with this wavy texture, that it probably would tangle after rubbing against the clothes and stuff, just based on my experience, limited experience with synthetic wigs. But I do have some that I brush out and, you know, pull out for a night on the town, and this is going to be one of them. This is Laila Pearl. Okay, Laila, come through. It's a wig. I love that. I love that. So if you all have any questions about this wig, you know what to do. Just put them down in the comment section below and I will answer them to the best of my ability. And I will also put the link to where I purchased this wig, in case you are interested. Of course, you're not obligated, because they ain't send me now quaint for to tell you for to buy it. So I'm just sharing for those who are interested in this little number here. I do have one other wig I'm going to share with you all that I've purchased along with this one. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, sugars.
Crying every month 'cause I wanna make my sins my success on my mind.